Hello everyone, and welcome to my instructional Pathfinder on how to use ScienceDirect to answer all of your scientific research needs. Before we go through the whole Pathfinder, I should tell you what an instructional Pathfinder is. An instructional Pathfinder is a step-by-step instructional tutorial. It is usually on a specific given database or resource. It is created by those in a library science or related field, and it is typically created for students, sometimes in the form of videos and sometimes in the form of written instructions. But let's halt for a second. Seeing as this Pathfinder will be about a specific database, we have to stop for a second and talk about what exactly a database is. A database is any collection of data or information that is especially organized for rapid search and retrieval by a computer. Databases are constructed to facilitate the storage, retrieval, modification, and deletion of data in conjunction with various data processing operations. Databases are organized collections of data. This data is called records. Each record contains certain fields, which is the information about the record, and databases organize the records in a logical and searchable way. The first step for us is to access the database. So there are really two ways that you are going to be able to do this. The first way is going to be on the library homepage. On the library homepage, one of the links you are going to see is a link for resources. So you're going to click on the resources tab on the home page, which will take you to the next page, which will be mostly blank except for a section on the left-hand side. As you can see on the right hand of this screen, on the left-hand side, you will find a list of resources. Under Resources, there is an option for databases A through Z, and this is the option we are going to want to choose. Once on the pages to A to Z databases, you will find a banner near the top with the whole entire alphabet. We are looking for ScienceDirect today, so you're going to want to click S, which will take you to a page that lists all of the databases that begin with S. You're going to find ScienceDirect College Edition, and you're going to click on it to go through and sign in. So here is what the page with the S databases on it looks like. And again, here's the database you will be looking for today, which is ScienceDirect College Edition. Once you select your desired database, it should take you to a login screen. For logging into ScienceDirect, you will require your school credentials. You type them in and you hit submit, and it will take you to the database's home page. The second way to access the database is through the actual Databases tab. So on the home screen, if you just scroll down a little, there is a banner with the option in the middle for Databases itself. Once you click that link on the banner, you will follow the same directions as before. It will take you to a page that tells you all A to Z databases, which will give you the option for the alphabet. You will click S. You will scroll down to find ScienceDirect. You will click on ScienceDirect. It will take you to the login page, which will take you to the home page of the database. Next step is next. You will arrive at the database's home page, and it will look like this. You want to begin researching your question. So first, you must know what your question is. For the purpose of this Pathfinder, we want to find information about the behavior of adolescents with anxiety. So we will need to figure out our searchable terms. For this search inquiry, our terms will be behavior, adolescence, and anxiety. The first option for searching this database that you have is a quick search. It is the initial bar that you see where it tells you to search for journal or book title. This is ideal if you've already done some research about your topic and have the names of some books and/or articles you would like to take a look at. However, for the purpose of this Pathfinder, you're going to want to do an advanced search. So to get to the advanced search screen, click on the Search on ScienceDirect link that is immediately under the quick search bar. This will take you to the advanced search page, which is the best place that you can be to actually do some research on this database. Advanced search is where you'll plug in your previously determined search terms. You'll put these search terms into the Find Articles with These Terms section. You will put all your search terms in, and you'll connect them with the Boolean operator and in between every word. And just to let you know, a Boolean operator is a word that will allow us to create a complex search question that the database will still be able to give us information for. We use AND to link the words, meaning search results will show any and all articles containing all the search terms. From this page, we can choose to fill out any information that we may need to narrow down our search further. We can add things in like the years for a date range. You can search by a specific book or journal, by specific authors, author affiliation, which is typically school-wise, or words that must appear in the title abstract or author-specified keywords. Or you can expand to show all fields and have even more options. If you click on Show All Fields, it gives you a few more fields. It lets you search by publication title, volume, issue, specific pages, or by DOI, ISSN, or ISBN, which are identifiers for articles or journals or books. It also allows you to narrow down what type of article types you would like to see. Once you fill out everything you need to and check off whatever boxes you feel necessary, click the Search to continue. As you can see, the method of just inputting your search terms will yield lots of results. So you need to further refine your results. So on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see options listed under the term Refine By. These will allow you to further narrow down your research. You have 4 options: years, article type, publication title, and access type. Under each option is the option to show more, which will expand your Refine By section to show all possible options you have. You can check any of the boxes to further narrow your search. You'll notice a number beside each option. This is informing you how many results there are for each refining option. You have 4 options: years, article type, publication title, and access type. So now you want to select whatever boxes you need. So once you do this, it will bring your research down, sometimes drastically. For the sake of this search, we will narrow down the last 3 years. Research articles only. We have chosen a journal that sounds like it would be best suited for our inquiry, and open access. We may access the material freely. And these requirements will often be chosen based off of your teacher's instructions. And there are times where you will use a lot of these, and there are times you'll hardly see any. Now you want to choose and save your articles. So you want to save them for future use. You want to select articles that look the most relevant to your research, assignment, or topic. Once you select an article of interest, click on the title to be taken to the page about the article/book to get more information on it, such as the outline of the parts of the article, title and further information about the specific publication, issue, authors, recommended articles. If you scroll down, you will begin to encounter the different parts of the articles. Scroll down to view the paper in full in the browser. This can be done in one of 2 ways. The first way is done on the page for the article itself. At the top, there are 3 options: download PDF, share, and export. You can click on any of these options to save or share the article for your use, and this is typically good for single articles. However, the second way is best suited for multiple articles at once. So go back to the search results screen. On the left-hand side of the articles are checkboxes. If you check the boxes next to the articles you would like to further use or examine, you can mass download or mass export all selected files. And that is it for my instructional Pathfinder. Now you can use ScienceDirect with the confidence you need. If you need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to use your library. They are always more than happy to help. Or check out the library website, as they have many of their own Pathfinders. And most databases have their own tutorials on how to use the database itself. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you learned a lot. Thank you.